Hi everyone, welcome to our first class. Today we are going to learn one of the most useful reading skills, skimming for the main idea and title. This will help you read faster and understand better, especially when you are short on time, like in exams. First, what is skimming? Skimming means reading quickly to get the general idea of a text, not every detail. You're like a bird flying over the text, not stopping at every word. So, in order to skim, you have to look at title, headings, first and the last sentences of paragraphs, and keywords that stand out. So, why is it important? The skill is super important when you want to find out what the text is mostly about. When you want to choose the best title, or when you want to save time during tests like IELTS or preparation for NIS schools. So now, let me explain you the difference between main idea and details. So, the main idea is the big message, what the author is trying to say in the whole text or in one paragraph. Details are the examples, numbers, or facts that support the main idea. So, now let's practice. Here, we've given a short paragraph, and you have to find the main idea of this paragraph. First of all, you have to read the first sentence. Many people are choosing bicycles instead of cars. So, this gives us an early clue. The topic is about a growing trend. More people are using what? Bicycles. So, now the second step is to look at keywords and ideas. So, the first keyword is cheap, good for the environment, and keeps you healthy. Then, more bike lanes. So, these are supporting reasons for why people prefer biking. You're not reading every single word, just noticing what repeats or stands out. So, and thirdly, you have to look at the last sentence, right? More bikes are being built to support this trend. This actually reinforces the idea. Cycling is becoming more popular, and cities are helping that happen. So, now, what do you understand from the text? By skimming, we can say the main idea is cycling is becoming more popular because it is cheap, healthy, and environmentally friendly. You guys, doing by these tips, you have to find the main idea. And now let's have a look at the second task. So you have to find which title fits best, right? The first one, car problems in cities. Why cycling is becoming popular? How to ride a bike. Okay, now let's have a look at the first option, car problems in cities. It actually mentions cars, but the paragraph is not about their problems, right? Now let's have a look at the third one, how to ride a bike. This would be a step-by-step guide, which the paragraph is not, right? So the paragraph is not giving us information about how to ride a bike. What about the second option, why cycling is becoming popular? Actually, this matches the paragraph's main idea. It answers the why. So now, let me give you some quick skimming tips. So you have to read the first sentence of each paragraph. You have to look at titles and subtitles. You have to check out bold or italic words and skip small details or examples on the first read. You guys have to remember, skim to get the main idea. Don't read every word. Choose titles that match the big message. Next time you read, try flying like that bird, fast and smart. So thank you for watching and happy reading. Goodbye.